Assam na pen Meghalaya aduya hoy tapada rong along pinile thota suluk sodagatamon ke japtu. Nijang Karbi Anglong tapada rong supia long pinile thota suluk sodagatamon ke jap langno ke japtu. Kedam tangari pen non puan ta ahoy alam ki judonela. Assam na pen Meghalaya aduya hoy doko kapita. Meghalaya chomang atum Karbi Anglong along li nang luchok pen Karbi araphan ke pasung. Lason si pinile thot setami inut Karbi aphan aringahu kepiso aduya hoyelong Assam Police RJ Theglongli Lote Meghalaya Police atom chomang aphan lamhoi pipen Karbi Anglong alongli nangpalutpo suluk sodak hurnang pachupo titi bonta ahoyelong Assam Police Theglong Lote Meghalaya Police amithang amoniraphan kachirai kebai titi Karbi Anglong ke theke dingatum kopisi anani ing samdun rilo along mai meeting along ki ningjebo Karbi Anglong along li ingchi isita pipe puk Karbi Anglong along li methang chirai kom thek thiloma mate methang akhaya phan kachirai dunde chenam loma ke sikachari atum kopia posi dodon clip lo News Text Report Karbi Anglong News
haladak cuma tum kopi nona apa nang cuci dun make apa pipen nang cuci nang te halong halat tum sinang paru bek lo di
latum lo
muni du umar tum ke bang madu ema
kali hap parai mes na apa
halat cuma tum doping mah halat tum doping mah cuma tum
hidian bang ma benke kosol ne lo
dan nang panang ke apa nang solan tenang thang tema
krab du lo ke ni punu sinang kang thod
ta deh
Longle chilong nang jipura arona tingpen chidan ponsi longle ka chilong pon lason si puloni hi thia dung het kido to war pia kong along kido along le sukoram timong lapen indira rong phar pia tumang bong pinangana ning kana hotpen longle ala mo pathakin hinang bong chidan pono laso along indira rong phar pi lapen moina rong phar pia sumar amon pia tum sukoram timong atuma phan arona tingpen chidan ponsi nona bangke rong farhem atum arona tengpen longli chilong pono rong farhem atum chilong pon pia ko hotstami Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council along pen sitami chidan pono sitami Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council atum alongli ke thak thidat pen ajo puthot rong farhem atum abang high court along chidan damsi nona bang alang litum ahok akang sai long pon lobusi pherang ke thengno ningje pon Puloni Penaroning Tikatar, Karbi Anglong News.
Kartong Pajirlo, Kartong. I am Naomi Arong Karbi, and today I call these media brothers to brief, little about last year, last year on 9th August, I think, 2022. I call this media brothers to brief about the grievance we're going through, and then the kind of injustice that we've been facing. Not we, actually, my mother-in-law, that is Mona Rongparpi, and this is Indra Rongparpi's son Rajiv Kro, and the daughter-in-law Kungri Intipi. So today again we are here to tell you exactly now what happened, because many of my friends, and as all of you know, that I have a page called Naomi Arong Karbi in Facebook, and everybody of you are you always shower a lot of love to me. So it's my duty to let you all know, because some of you are still asking me only what happened to that land dispute, what and all like that. So I want to tell you today that the land dispute has been resolved, and how it is resolved, if you ask me, after 2009, after the demarcation order came, the land has, the position has already given to us long back, like 2007 also, and then 2009 also. But only problem was to demarcate the land. and the demarcating land was taking so long. It was just taking forever. And after that, 2009, even they cancelled our demarcation order without no reason. And then after that, we approached the council like so many times, and then there were no answers. So legal way, and finally we got the order. But today I want to tell our some politicians that I don't want to mention the name, but I want to tell that, sir, in this current government, I am also one of the worker. I also work so hard for MSc election as well for the BJP party. I went for campaign like without eating food, coming back at night around 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock, going out early in the morning. Even I did, I worked so hard. So if you want to give justice, please don't come in between, because I have seen here personally that politicians, they really interfere. So you should be neutral, because we're also your party. If you think they are your party, we are your party too. If you think they are your people, we are your people too. So please do not do any bias here. Please, be neutral. I'm not helping any one of you to help me. Don't help me, don't help them. Let the department do their job, because they have all the records. Let them see the records and decide accordingly. Now, the decision is already been made. Demarcation is already done. So I hope no politician will involve here and try to create another problem, because it's already been resolved. So in case if like politicians right now, if you want to if you want to interfere, please think about us as well, because we're also your own people. Even I have nothing to do with this Haragat LA, but then when the election came, I worked really hard for it. And when this MSc election came also, we have given our own personal vehicle, constant fight between both the parties. But actually there's nothing to fight. And then some of you might misunderstand that, we're trying to grab someone's land. We're absolutely not. We're not trying to grab anyone's land. In fact, we have given our share of land, like Nihang Rongpar, Sir Nihang Rongpar, late Nihang Rongpar. He was the second CEM of Karbi Anglong, and he has 2 daughters. And his daughters are still, waiting for their justice. And till now the justice has not been served till, last week. But it's been done. And then for us, our land records were never in dispute. From the time before 2000, it was always between Pusukuram Timung and then Indra Rongparpi and Moira Rongparpi. And after that, after joint patta, the patta has been separated, and then from our share of 49 biga, we have already given them 24 bigas, and so. And then after that, we have taken the whatever remaining 24 bigas. So we have given them. We have not taken anything from them. So last time I have read few comments as well that you are trying to grab someone's land. We are not interested in grabbing anyone's land. In fact, we have given. We have not taken anyone's. So after the interfering of the High Court, we approached council so many times to demarcate our land, because position is already given long back. But then we couldn't, take the position because demarcation has not been done, and then we don't want to fight. Because if we go to, police the land, there come hundreds like that, and then there will be a fight. And if we fight,
Fulani constituency center dengki mo aklam along habar karbi risonim sorong aje ki paman ponje along APA chalsia song aphan thang abir tapa lele det pusi pherang kya mai kangnipon Karbi Anglong arlo non ke wangji pre achi klopen ke ahabar ten along ta karbi risonim sorong aje mate jet ke wa e paman ponpo sitami Fulani constituency ke parlopon center dengki mo aklam along kepaman ponji along phuloni APHLC aru atom aphan kaprek matha pon rongsi bangso jet kewa ep kepaman ponji aphan reception committee ke sengpon arni ahut sitami APHLC asong aphan thangnat kepar jupon kawidet ajoini ningduk lopusi alang litom pen chethan pon lapen lapuson karbi ajutang alongta ratchari alampen kebeng kephan avedet nangji pusi pherang ke amai kang nipon along ningje pon lasinon ke wangji aningkan pen ke lapuson klempon nang ni pusi pherang ke amai along ningje pon tangti pherang ke thengno kaningje pon alam thele arjupon eksena phuloni pen oronik tikathar Karbi Anglong news
dak phuloni constituency vice president pen isi press media long kenegi alam la lo kedam tang la tarik ni kora porni dak la phuloni constituency arlo ala dak center long non la durga puja ruelom mini festival bgpu labang so program pen ajok nele la dowe phunalong la pen kaprek whatsapp pe nelong da theklong lo ala dak reception committee ke seng alam silabang so reception committee ke seng alam aputha ka bang nili ke matha dam la pulo je hadak nola ruling bjp atum la pen congress asongya po tum dadu la pen ASDC asongya po tum dadu la pen program ke thekere tum dadu setame nili tum EPSLC aphan nangpa juje la pen nangpa chi ne dera jok kopio pot ma labang sala ma sini kan ni kang tu athema mini festival pulutang te lagi si sanchom arong aji lo labang so sanchom arong aji pulutang te lagi risui jang tum deta kali ke sardum ta dumi ji la pena da ke dhoram ta pen party ala ma bi ma kusini ri ma thada athige ধরম কে দোপিগলো আসন থাকসি পলিটিক্স তা দোপিগলো সেটা আরনবাংসি প্রেক আলো ধরম তা আরনবাং প্রেক আলো মানে খ্রিস্টান মানে হিন্দু মানে মুসলিম মানে সংহারি লাবুসন দোলো কার্ডম কার্ডি প্রেক লো সেটা কার্বিলো তা কার্বিওতে কার্বিলো লাসন থাকসি পলিটিক্স এটা মে দা কার্বি আংলং পলিটিক্স কে কার্বিলো মতি বিজেপি পুনন ASDC পুনন লাপেনতে APSLC পুনন CPIML পুনন telabang so festival ke lage banga khai ba lason amu ka tum tuani ASDC atum dat ba BJP atum dat ba lage congress atum dat labuson ke chok ke deri ma polam sini ke chini gang tum athe ke lada isi arong aji purutang te muni atum non away mi atum non mang technical sumar tu arong aji ke doji lun kan lahai ki biji abu thake labang so putha long tame ake sara tum ta dudun nangi lahai than dun nai to son alun ben si ko pc kam claim ma pen ko pia lun pen ko son ja ot nangi ma jola pu son e than dun thek nangi seta nona bangke labang so bangke nona bangke kat ke je flak nang na ni di thek dang no tengke athe mani tum APSL selong ta penang an na korting jira tum lun se pi na pen ke thekere atum do aposi lahai ari so yang tum la pulo tang te lagi ke flagalam si dam jilo sela bang so ke flagalam lo pulo tang te muafi ke wang je hu da bang ta la buson thak ti flagwer nang puma la bang salam chini di ke matha da athige non ruling BJP tum dolo pura alang li to ni hang ling pen la pu we claim tha bare pulo tang te hoi BJP tum ta muar ni siba kalang tum ta hoi tam hap ta ji tang te hala so hut ko mane party ong si council chari lo pulo tang te hala bang su ta la buson plak wong ta mijima la sila bang so lama sini li ka gang tu la pen chini gang tu ate ke non la son dak thang si ke je plak lo pulu tang te la ke li tum Karbi tum sila ke kidira towards it than pon rong ate kisuma tum ke non APSL silong ta lun kan ke thega tum ke tene da pu ke thege de tum adu kala hai tum mangi li tum nili tum la APSL si tum yong sadak songya pi tum ta jong sini tu hendak reception committee long ta avidun dat pulu tang te kece lang dunia phang ini tum ta asap suak te ora du pok asila ka do ka we Karbi do an chingrum nai pulu tang te lahai che flak ti thek awe pin pensi song team pen BJP punon congress punon ASDC punon APSLC punon asong tin do o hasong do am sta me la son chingrum pet pensi lahai culture ke